Hello everyone. You know, there's few things that capture the true heart and soul of America like the wild Mustang. When they're left free to roam, they're unfettered with an indomitable spirit, and they're strong, rugged, and independent. And we've got a new knife called the Mustang. It's a flipper. It's got a real workhorse blade in it with a slight bowie clip, deep choil, and it's one heck of a working knife. I can testify to that this knife will do any job that you ask it to do. Always made in America, they always will be. We are America's Knife Company.